Okay, so today we are going to do a shaving cream car wash. So what you're gonna need for this is a car. You're going to need 2 tubs or 1. You're gonna need some shaving cream, some water, and a towel of some sort. So let's get started. All right, everybody, welcome to our car wash. We are going to start our car wash by taking our shaving cream. We're gonna shake it up. And then, with the help of mommy and daddy, we are going to squeeze it. Squeeze it into our tub or our bin or whatever we're using. Running a little low there. Okay, and now our car is ready to go to the car wash. So he's gonna drive on up. Can you make your car drive up to the car wash? Drive, 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 and we have made it. We are going to go into our car wash, and we're gonna drive our car through all the suds and the soap. Drive your car forward and backward and forward and backward. Can you make your car go fast? Can you make your car go slow? Ooh. Nice job, everybody. Okay, so next we're going to wash all of the parts of our car. So you can either use your hands for this if you're feeling like getting messy, or you can use a little cotton ball or a little tissue or something like that. So the first thing we're going to wash is the car's wheels. It's kind of hard to see. The car's wheels. Can you find your car's wheels? Touch the wheels. Let's wash our car's wheels. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to wash is our car's wheels. Can you find your car's wheels? My car's wheels are purple. You can use a cotton ball, you can use your hands, you can use a tissue. We're gonna scrub, scrub, scrub our car's wheels. Nice job. Give those wheels a scrub. Okay, next we are going to scrub the car's windshield. My car's windshield has some eyes. I'm gonna take my cotton ball and scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub the windshield. Nice job. Now, if your car has a door, scrub your car's door. Scrub, 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 scrub. Wash in the door. Uh-oh. Wash your car's door. Nice job. We're gonna put our car back in the foam, and I thought we could sing a little song while we play with him in the car wash. Ready? Do what I do. The car in the wash goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The car in the wash goes round and round. You're gonna put your car back into the suds, and we're gonna give him a really good scrub before we rinse him off. So let's twirl him in a circle. Ready? The car in the wash goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The car in the wash goes round and round, all through the town. All right, after we get all sudsy in the car wash, it's time for us to rinse. So I'm gonna drive my car over to the rinse. And in the rinse, I have some water. So I'm gonna drive him over to the rinse and I'm gonna put him in. And I'm gonna drive him through and rinse him off. Rinse, rinse, rinse. I'm gonna make sure I really rinse him good. I'm gonna dump some water on top of him, just a little bit. Oop. Splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. Okay, and our final step of the car wash is that we need to let him dry. So I'm gonna move him over to the towel and I'm gonna pat, pat, pat him. Can you make your car jump like this so we can get all the water out of his wheels? Jump, 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 jump. I'm gonna dry his wheels. I'm gonna dry the windshield and the door. I'm gonna dry the back and I'm going to dry the front. I think he's ready to go. What do you think?
Great job, everybody. I love and miss you so much.